Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn numbers. Kids colors name: black color, yellow color, blue color, red color, green color, and white color. Kids now coloring numbers. Kids first draw 1 and use black color. O N E 1, 2, T W O 2, 3, T H R W E 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Kids now to 10. The numbers of 10 and use yellow color. Yellow color. Eleven, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Kids now to 17. The numbers of 17 and use blue color. Blue color. 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Kids now to 23. The numbers of 23 and use red color. Red color. 24. The numbers of 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.